The Texas House of Representatives just rejected a proposed agreement by House and Senate lawmakers on a bill aimed at reducing property tax bills.
Senate Bill 10 would reduce how much city and county leaders can increase tax rates year over year. KVUE's Daniel Perot is live at the Capitol. And Daniel, this means House and Senate lawmakers now have to go back to the negotiating table.
That's right, Mark and Ashley. House Democrats and the right flank of the House Republican caucus voted to reject that proposed agreement, saying that it did not go far enough to give property tax relief to Texans. Other House lawmakers also expressed concern and frustration that the proposed compromise rejected and took out most of the changes that House lawmakers made to Senate Bill 10. Senate Bill 10 would limit how much city and county leaders can increase the property tax rate without voter approval. Right now, that limit sits at 3.5%. The bill would take it down to 2.5%. That's up from the 1% in the House version. In its current version, Senate Bill 10 only applies to cities and counties with at least 75,000 residents. That's different from the House version, which applied to every city and county. It led to some intense debate on the House floor today. State Representative Vince Perez, a Democrat from El Paso, pointed out that rural Texans would not get any relief.
If you want to talk about real property tax relief, I'm happy to have that conversation. But providing my constituents $12 property tax relief and making it sound like they're going to save hundreds of dollars, as your speech alluded to, I'm sorry. Yes, I can proudly tell my constituents that I don't believe $12 is enough in property tax relief.
The House added an exemption to public safety costs from being subject to the new limit, but that was stripped out in the conference committee. Cities and counties are already facing budget challenges because of a variety of factors. Supporters of the bill say cities and counties can still get a higher tax rate if they are in a budget crunch. They just need to get voter approval first. We've seen House lawmakers over in the Senate throughout the day trying to hammer out an agreement. The Lieutenant Governor, Dan Patrick, has said he wants to end this current special session by tomorrow. And if that's the case, time is really ticking for lawmakers in both chambers to get together, come to some sort of an agreement that lawmakers in the House and the Senate would find acceptable. At the Texas Capitol, Daniel Perot, KVUE News.